What we have here is a 1997 Ford Escort. Plan is to run it in a demolition derby. I'm only making the video because when I looked it up, I only found one 97 Escort video and it didn't have a whole lot of detail and the picture wasn't very good. Car was 150 bucks. It's not too bad. I got some parts I can use on my Focus on it anyway, so. Driver's floor is a little rotten. Not terrible. I'm pretty sure they're all like that. Still not prepped completely yet. Taking the doors a couple days to get them welded. Other than a little bit of rot there, it's not that bad. Just to I don't know if you can see how rotten that is, but I'm probably gonna have that, try and weld all that up. See if it will hold up a little longer, because basically I can almost break that with my hand right now. And then where that A-frame attaches on the back side's pretty rotten too. Anyway, the derby I'm in doesn't let us do anything to the cars really. No stock bumpers and whatnot. Anyway, that's it for the prep work. I'll have a video of it when it's done, and then an aftermath one. Okay, bye.